recording?
Yeah, I'm running right now.
So, we're running, we're going to do some aluminum cake, which is going to be AC. We're going to run it off of a high frequency box. So, we're going to switch the machine to, I know you can't see the faceplate, and I've tried getting a new one. Nobody makes one.
Yeah, it's one of those good luck. See, you see a lot of these old machines that are like this, especially the big blue 40s.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and I'm pretty sure everybody, especially people here, we're talking to right now, I'm sure y'all have all seen the big blue 40 on the trailer that's got the little white marker. It says, yes, exactly.
I found it one day, so I just set it, so I was like,
I saw this one dude. The one dude is on the back. It was a big blue 40 on a old F700, and you go into, you can see 60-10. It would be like 60-10, 8th inch, 60-10, 3/32, 70-18, 8th inch, and 3. He had all his rods listed out where to put it for each rod, just like marked on there. I was like, this man is a genius. He has achieved welding god status.
It's one of those things that you just, well, you know, especially when you switch around rods, and especially if somebody don't use it a lot, once you find it, at least at it, it might be here, it might be there, but it's close.
Yep.
You don't got to figure out what gear, especially with my machine, like, or the big blue 400, they have gears and SAs. I set it in a gear, then you got to set it in a fine adjustment.
Yeah, I lucked out on the Blue Star because it was kept in a shop like this its whole life.
Yeah,
so
that's nice.
So the faceplate was in very good shape.
I've seen people put metal that hot takes on and off to keep from the sun.
Yeah, I ain't going through all that. I'll just add paint.
Exactly.
It's $300 machine.
Exactly. So, yeah, we got it on AC. We're gonna start out with a foot pedal. We got the foot pedal. We started about it, but so we're gonna put it on remote.
Oh, we didn't hook it up to the box.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yep.
And we do got a 14-pin extension cord. We'll show you that from over there. That plugs into the 14-pin plug down here. So we're gonna put it on remote for the voltage or the amperage control. The remote for the contactor. We're on CC constant current. Yeah, I think that's it. Oh, what kind of amperage do you want to run?
At least we need to be around 170. It's somewhere almost near 200, to be honest.
This is 85 to 225.
Okay.
So.
Yeah. So.
Then the pedal will.
Yeah, the pedal will adjust. So when you hit the so when you hook up the pedal, it bypasses this, right?
Yeah, you can put this wherever you want. It doesn't matter.
Okay, so the pedal replaces that and bypasses that completely when you switch to remote.
Yeah, just like a trench, what do you call it? Trench remote or whatever they call it.
Yeah.
Finals. This basically that.
Okay. All right, cool.
So we'll fire it up and then we'll go inside and start it out.
Alright, this is it, guys. High frequency generator. Let me open it up here. You see we got the TIG torch hooked up right there, and that's the gas line going to our bottle right here. Our TIG torch is right there, and you have to hook up the ground because the high frequency, we don't want the high frequency getting grounded in the machine because it'll damage components in the machine out there. So your ground has to also hook up to your oh my goodness, your high frequency generator box, so it can neutralize the high frequency before it gets out to your machine. So we got some 1/4 inch pieces of aluminum. I mean, we're stretching it. We're going all or nothing. We got an 1/8 inch pure tungsten and a WP17 torch with pure argon, and we're running these Harbor Freight Vulcan 53, 56, 3/32 inch. Probably this would justify 1/8 inch filler, but this is all we have. Aluminum's not as picky as steel. Steel's very picky about the size of the filler. Aluminum, you can get away almost everything with a 3/32. But yeah, exactly. My instructor had a saying, you gotta run what you brung. Gotta run what you brung. And when you get into field work, it is true. You do have to run what you brung.
Alright, try it again.
Yep, a little bit more heat. Oh yeah, that's definitely more heat.
Well, I only changed it one, and that was barely touching the pedal.
Gee whiz, you're gonna burn up my 17.
I don't want to do that now.
Go get your thing on fire. That's okay. That's an achievement. You ain't a real TIG welder till you burn up a 17 torch.
Let me put that down. That's gonna mess up my other.
Yeah. Looks better. That one. Oh yeah. There we go. Looks better.
Better.
How my 17 look? Okay.
Not bad. It looks a little warm.
Yeah. I can smell it.
This thing was the cup was glowing.
Yeah. Yo, definitely probably need to invest in a 26 or 28, whatever next size up gas cooled one is. But
I mean, obviously, when this much amperage, you want a water cooled, but
yeah,
you know that's not practical.
That's not field practical at all.
Unless you're doing it way off the truck, then maybe, but still.
Yeah, it's a lot to set up in the field.
And a lot to go on.
Yes. So if you want, we did it off your engine drive and switch over to Blue Star, because that was the it's redemption for the Blue Star after the Arc Pig. All right, it's redemption. We're hooked up to the Blue Star. It's redemption, y'all.
Now, one thing you do gotta do is switch it back over to the panel.
Yep.
We got the Blue Star. What do we got on? Max power.
Oh yeah. So our ground lead's already set up there for ground back to the machine.
Think about it.
Well, you have to have something to tell it
Yeah.
to remote. Selector panel.
Let's see what it does.
The thing blows up while I'm looking at it. You push the pedal, is it?
It wasn't doing anything.
The pedal don't do anything?
No. So I guess it's just kind of like a fast stop.
Okay, because it is running all the time. So how about we turn it off and unhook the pedal and see what that does.
I've never ran it without I was just a remote up machine. So
We are going to find out.
does it say it won't come do every day?
There we go. I guess if there's no control from the machine or pedal or nothing, it just does that.
Yeah, I thought it was just like you said.
I get, yeah.
Oh, helmet. That would be.
Just stare at it. Eventually your eyes will be burnt and you won't be able to see it no more.
Oh, remind me to tell you a story after about that.
All right.
See what we do.
Now, I'm going to show the world, this is how you don't do this. I'm not a good TIG welder at all. Anyone who knows me knows I'm big ass.
Join the club. Oh yeah, it does. You want to try on a thinner piece?
Yeah, we're going to have to.
I got some 8th inch if you want.
I do not, yeah. I tell you what, I don't like the fact it's always on. Like as soon as you get close, whoa! It's like, oh, this is a little scary.
I know.
You ever been lost in like a department store and somebody's like, "Can I help you?" I'm like, "Yes, I lost my wife somewhere in here." You ever had that happen? They're like,
Yeah.
They get on there. They get on the mic and like, Heidi Herb, we found your husband wandering around the store. Can you please come to the courtesy booth and pick him up? And she shows up like, damn it, what are you doing? Yay, Heidi!
It walked.
It's getting late. I need food. I can't concentrate.
It's actually walked.
Now I gotta get one. The thing, I tell you, it scares the shit out of me. You get right there. Boom! It's like, oh! I'm awake!
I think I may have put it, hang on. I think, oh, that was like 80 hooks. So, we'll put it down. What do you want it on? Like 50, 40?
Yeah, what about 50? That scares me as soon as it lights up. I mean, like it's always on. So as soon as you get right there, wow! It's like, oh, I'm gonna die.
Hey,
I can barely
seriously,
TIG weld. Look at that. I can barely TIG weld.
that's not bad. I can't say anything. I can't do too much better.
Just barely. Yeah, that's no foot pedal.
Yeah, exactly. That's scratch stop. I mean,
now there's a big downside.
Yeah.
Be straight up with everybody. There's a big downside trying to fill that crater with no foot pedal. You have to back and then dip, pull out.
yes, exactly.
Crater cracks. Everybody knows you deal with aluminum. Crater cracks is 90% of why aluminum breaks.
Mm-hmm.
Is crater cracks in the weld. I mean, this is can all be beautiful and pretty, and if that right there divot's too low, which it is, I actually did perfect on the first one. The second one did not do so well, not perfect, but as close as I'm gonna get to perfect. Because look, I'm Mr. Tig. I ain't Tig. I can't concentrate. It's like I need food. My blood sugar's dropped. I need food. No, call your wife. I need food. I'm hungry.
But yeah, so as y'all can see, it walks. I mean,
Oh yeah.
the
So now we know this is the exact same torch, the exact same tungsten collet body I was using with the arc pig. Everything is the same machine, same bottle, same everything is the same except for the high frequency generator. The arc pig just didn't work on the Blue Star. I don't know why. I mean, when we sent it back, they said it worked. They said the arc pig worked when they put it back in their shop. I don't know why, but right here we have isolated the issue. The machine puts out AC current. It welds. It runs. There's nothing wrong in the torch or anything. I've barely touched this torch. I've used this torch once since I had the arc pig issue. So it was the arc pig. It is now beyond a shadow of a doubt, it was the arc pig that was wrong.
yeah,
Or broken. So if you want to turn that off, I'm afraid this thing will electrocute you.
we won't zap. We won't let it get zapped you. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the machine off.
Yeah, like the way that thing's sitting right now, if we were to cut that on, it would arc over to the plate. Oh, alright, I'm good. I'm all good. Alright guys, so see, me and Noah here fiddled around with the high frequency generator. We ran it on both machines. We ran the wire feeder on both machines, on the Blue Star and the AirPack 400. So these are optional components that you can put on your engine drive to get more out of it. You know, how often do you? But in reality, how often do you use the wire feeder?
The wire feeder, unless I'm like, the only time now, especially since I got the 250 over there, shop stuff. I used to run everything off of that and then have to run the engine drive. But honestly, unless I'm doing a ton of work, I don't. I just maybe maybe once a month I'll use it, and I
Yeah.
have to either be doing really thin stuff, or
I guess if you're doing a lot of fabricating, let's set my helmet
Exactly,
down.
yeah,
If I was
so
doing a lot of fabricating
it'd come
something
in
in
handy.
the field, it would be a lot easier than running 100 sticks.
Yes.
You know, you just pull the trigger and go, and you can work your way right around corners and stuff,
Yes.
and you know,
Keep on going, don't gotta swap them out.
exactly. However, I will say the biggest bit between these two right here, my favorite is the high frequency generator, because this gives you a whole nother material to work with. Like I've showed DC with the stick electrodes. It's okay. It'll get you by. It's not the best. But DC TIG welding argon and the stick electrodes, guys, it don't look this good. I mean, that's pretty good looking.
Yeah.
I'd rather have somebody pay me for that than using the DC with the stick electrodes. It'll get you by in a pinch.
Exactly, and the biggest thing is, me and you do a lot of field work, and that's where we try. Field work is where that'll work great for field work.
Oh yeah, it's fantastic.
It's just, oh yeah, I keep saying this about field work. It's a completely different animal. If anybody try telling you different, especially repair work.
Oh yeah.
Repair work, it's a whole different animal. And like what we do is we run our own rigs, and you gotta be a jack of all trades. Like I know some people would laugh at that weld, but you give them a 60-10, they ain't worth a dang with it.
Yeah.
So
I actually almost worked for a guy running a shop. He was running this shop, and I may have told this story before. He offered me a management position there. He was a great guy. I have a lot of respect for him. He was super cool, but the deal, he could TIG weld. That's all the guy could do. You hand him a stick electrode, he couldn't. He's like, what's this? Super cool guy. I'm not trying to rat on him or be rude, but TIG was his thing, and he was good at it. He was self-taught too, and he was very good at it. But the reason I wound up not working for him was because I love field work, and he did not want anything to do with field work. And I was like, come on, man, that's 50% of your profit right there. Like 50% of your work is field work, and you're just cutting all that out. But still super cool guy. Things didn't work out, but hey, learning experience. It is what it is. But yeah, these are optional things. You can pick them up. I saw one of these not too long ago on Facebook Marketplace for about $300-400.
yeah, something like that.
Yeah, they'll pop up on Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist. They're always available on eBay.
Yes.
But you're gonna pay twice as much. Like this on eBay was $800. Somebody went $800. It was in really good shape,
Yeah,
but
but-
they wanted $800. And somebody wanted about $600 for one of these on eBay. And so you get it on eBay, you're gonna pay more, but they're always up there.
Yes.
So what I do, and I'm sure Noah
Yeah.
highly agrees with me, hunt around Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist, and
Yeah.
you can find all sorts of cool stuff.
Yeah, and if you don't need it today, just hunt around. Like I tell people in my videos, that truck, it didn't happen overnight, and all the pieces to it, I got one thing here. I waited, shopped around. The biggest thing, especially going to yourself, what you probably know, every dollar counts.
Oh,
You're
yes.
in business yourself, so if you can spend $200 on something, I spent more than that, but for instance, $200 on that, and everybody else want $8. Hey, you may have to drive an hour or two, but
Yeah, but you just made.
that's gonna make me a lot more money than that.
Yeah, so example, you drive 2-3 hours to pick this up, pay $200 instead of $800.
Yes.
You just made $500 by not spending that much.
I wish I spent $200 on that. I paid a lot more than that. I think I paid
But
$500 or
it
something,
still
but
it still
it's
still
an
works.
idea, yeah.
It still works.
So,
So, all right, guys. So we had an awesome time doing this collaboration video with
Yeah.
Noah. It was absolutely fantastic. I love coming down here and hanging out with him. Definitely, guys, go check out his channel. He's got lots of good stuff up there. So thank you guys for watching. If you haven't already, please be sure to like and subscribe. If y'all got a question, please leave it in the comments. I'll do the best I can to get to it and answer it for you. And like I said, find his channel and subscribe. He's a super cool dude. Y'all have a fantastic